Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sugar cookies with designs. Start with the basics for a flawless cookie. Cream together 1 cup 2 sticks of unsalted butter with 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Finally, slowly add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt until just combined. After mixing, chill your dough for at least 1 hour. This prevents spreading and makes it easier to handle. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create various shapes, ensuring you re-roll scraps gently to avoid tough cookies. This step is crucial for uniform baking and a smooth surface for decorating. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place cut-out cookies on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are just lightly golden. Overbaking will make them hard, so watch them closely. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they are firm and ready for your beautiful designs. Now for the fun part, decorating. Prepare royal icing with 2 consistencies, a thicker one for outlining and a thinner one for flooding. Outline your cooled cookies with the thicker icing, creating a barrier. Then, fill the outlined area with the thinner flood icing, using a scribe tool to spread it evenly. Let your beautiful designs dry completely, which can take several hours or even overnight for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.